Welcome, I'm Jörg. In this video, we'll discuss drug product stability and how it can be reached through lyophilization. Let's dive right in. Stability is critical to the safety, efficacy, and purity of every injectable product, and subsequently its regulatory success. To authorize a parenteral drug, regulators typically expect it to be stable for at least 12 months. If a product doesn't have that level of stability in liquid form, lyophilizing can be a smart strategic move. Lyophilization, also known as freeze-drying, is the process of removing the water from a product through sublimation, transforming the frozen solvent directly to vapor without passing through a liquid phase. This process can dramatically increase the stability of a parenteral drug. In fact, an injectable drug product that's stable for just a few weeks in liquid form can sometimes remain stable for 2 to 3 years in lyophilized form. Here's how it works. Lyophilization has 3 main stages: freezing, primary drying, and secondary drying. It's a very gentle process that can be used on even very sensitive molecules, but it can also be a lengthy process. Lyophilization can take anywhere from 20 to 120 hours to complete. During the freezing stage, the product is cooled to a temperature far below freezing, typically around -50 degrees Celsius. This immobilizes all constituents and forms a solid matrix. In the primary drying stage, a vacuum is applied to the frozen product and the temperature is slowly increased. This starts the sublimation that transforms the frozen solvent from a solid directly to a vapor. The vapor is then captured on the condenser in the lyophilizer system, leaving behind the dry, porous, and now freeze-dried product. After this step, the product will go through secondary drying. This final stage helps further reduce any residual moisture content like bound or crystalline water. Stability, though, is just one of the advantages of lyophilization. Lyophilized products not only have longer shelf life, they're also easier to store because they usually don't require refrigeration or freezing. They're easier to transport because they're less prone to spillage and less sensitive to environmental factors, and they're easily reconstituted for administration at the point of care. As you can see, there are many reasons why lyophilization is a vital technique in the process of manufacturing injectable drug products. Freeze-drying not only makes parenteral products more stable and more likely to achieve regulatory authorization, but also more functional and convenient for manufacturers, care providers, and patients alike. If you've enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more updates. And if you'd like to know more about the topic, check our website. See you next time.